I told you, we need to finalize the budget right away.
Wait a second, did you get the approvals?
Look at him go. He thinks he's a robot too. Oh my goodness, look at him go. He can't see a thing. He's doing the shuffle.
I said, wake up! Look at me. Don't you ignore me, buddy. I'm talking to you.
Don't fall off.
He did it! He totally wiped out.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. Who's a pretty bird then?
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Which one did you pick? He ate the evidence. Good boy.
Oh.
Look at him go. Oh, he's getting dizzy.
He fell over.
Look how fast he is going.
He thinks it's a competition.
He's so serious about it.
I know where they hide the extra millet.
You do. Where? Tell me everything right now.
Ríe, ríe. Ay, Dios mío, qué lindo.
Tap, tap, tip, tap, little feet go flip, flop, red rug, green me, marching like a parrot should be. Swing a tail, shake a wing, I'm the feather king. Look at me, bounce to the melody, feathers bright, eyes like spring, a parrot on a...
Red butt chicken. Boop, boop. I'm a duck. I'm an owl. I'm an owl. I'm an owl.
All right, selfie time. Give him a smile, big guy. Squawk! Whoa, hey, Rufus, you just kicked me in the head. All right, everybody squeeze in. Ready? Squawk! Perfect. Family photo complete.
Ready, buddy? Up the steps. That's it. Whee! Good slide. Grab the ball. You got it. Dunk it. Swish. Nice shot. One more. Ring time. Over the pole. Drop. Yes, you're a rock star, little guy. Show off. Say hi.
Ready, Mango? Grab the ball. Roll it.
Yeah! Strike! Good job, buddy. You're a champ. Ready to save, Mango? Nice saving, buddy.
Look at you dance, Kiwi.
Peaches, that's Ollie's tail, not a toy. Gentle. Good girl. Good job, Kiwi. Clever bird.
Morning, pals. Hi. Oh, big voice. Hi. He's copying himself again. You two are something else.
You ready for your little spa day, Tiny? Spa day. Good bird. Hold still. There we go. Feels nice, huh? All done. Such a good boy.
Sunny day we sway, ba ba ba, la la la. Dancing in the living room, little beats go boom boom boom. With my feather crew.
Come on, buddy. Yeah, right over here. There you go. Hi, sweetie. Good job. Cuddles? Yeah. Hey, buddy. You like that? Good boy.
Ready? Little squeeze? That's it. Good squeeze. One more? Perfect. Good bird.
Good girl. Ready, buddy? Climb on. Whee! Look at those legs go! Whee! Keep pedaling. Nice and steady. You nailed it, little cyclist.
What are you doing up there, buddy? Checking out the cleaning corner? Oh, somebody's in the bag. Hi there, you two. Play nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, who's in there? Hi, sweetheart.
Look at you two. That's so cute.
Little broom perch meetup.
Hey there, close-up boy. What are you telling me? You're a silly thing. All right, show off.
Oh my goodness, look at you guys. Nice copy, buddy. Boop. Gentle pup. Good boy. That is too cute.
Back in your groove, huh, buddy? Nice twirl. Hop. There it is. Slowly getting back to normal here. Look at that pyramid. You gonna take one, buddy? Oh, sneaky.
Another one. Right.
You're too funny.
Here's a seat for you, buddy. Ready? Good crunch. How about a pumpkin one? Tiny one coming up.
That's it. Show them your song, buddy. Good job, Kiwi.
Come on, Sunny. Yeah, come here, buddy. Good job. Hop up. Hi, little one. You're so sweet. That's my girl.
Hey, buddy, look what I've got for you. Your own golden feather. Want to try it on? Okay, hold still. Boop. And ta-da! Feather crown. Looking mighty regal there, little... Hi there, handsome. Tweetity, woo-woo. That's pretty. Turn tweet woo. Sing it, buddy. Good finale.
You comfy back there, buddy? There you go. Hello, you're so silly.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Order.
Hello, Peppy. Hi, Peppy. Yes. Good, Peppy. Good morning. Love you.
Can I have it? Yeah? Good bird. Ready? Here we go. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, no! He's down. You're so dramatic, buddy. Cheep.